We are now going to be testing if artificial intelligence can give you the edge with binary option trading. I have let it go through all the strategies. I made a video like this yesterday, but we are now taking it to a new level. He has gone through all the information that is possible, upgraded every single strategy, and we are also going now to test the most simple strategy. If a most simple strategy we have in Pocket Option Auto Trader can get a high win rate. So if you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. We are now going to let it take 5-second trades, zigzag reversal strategy, $700 each trade, minimum 5 trades because we're going to end with a win, as I set a profit target of $2,500. Also, if you want this free binary option robot for yourself, you find a link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Now let's start the bot and let's see which type of win rate we get in this video. So now let's start the bot. What he's doing now, he's now collecting all the information he needs from the chart. Afterwards, he's adding all the information from the indicators and now with the optimized indicators that we have. So he's now doing a sell trade. Looks like a nice entry for me. So we got the first win here now. He's taking one more sell. So we have now 2 wins out of 2 trades, 100% win rate. The next trade now is a loss. That is completely fine. We did now go within with a buy trade. That one turned into a win. So we now had 3 wins, 1 loss and 75% win rate. That is good in my book. But we need one more trade to finalize this. So it's more 10 seconds because we have a cooldown as we got one losing trade. This is so he don't follow a bad trend. Also, if you have any question at all, just leave them below the video at X and below the video at YouTube. So he's going in now with a sell trade. That one turn into winner, and there we have it. 4 wins, 1 loss, 80% win rate, $2,648 profit. That is good in my book. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, you find it above the video at X, below the video at YouTube. And we can see AI have done some amazing job with the indicators. So as the strategy that I consider the worst of all the strategies that are inside this bot did so good, that's a good sign that we have something going on with AI that have made everything better. So I hope you did enjoy. Like this video, helped me tremendously. So with that, have an amazing day.